call my grandparents Nonna, Papa, Ma and Pa,
Oma and Opa,
Amma and Lola,
Nan, Grandma and Papa,
Ma, Pa, Nana and Poppy. I like doing things with my grandparents, like going with walks with them and hugging them and playing with them.
play soccer with them, play Xbox with them, and cook with them.
Going to the park, sleeping over at their house, playing with them. I like to go shopping with Nonna, go for walks with Papa, and go to the beach with Ma and Pa.
We play cards and I love to chat with them. My grandparents live overseas and I like talking on the phone with them.
They take me special places and buy me milkshakes and lovely food.
I love to play games at the beach house and talk and chat. My grandparents are energetic, fun and very talkative.
Beautiful and nice.
Amazing, awesome and caring.
I love my grandparents this much. Happy Grandparents' Day.
Happy Grandparents' Day!
Happy Grandparents' Day. Happy Grandparents' Day, everyone. Happy Grandparents' Day.
Bye!